It's currently 11 something. I am having my breakfast / lunch. Guess what I'm having? My favorite! Rice and beans with some avocado. This was leftover. Rice and beans is arguably my favorite meal, to be honest. I like beans, I really do. So, yep. I need to get these nails done. I'm saying done like somebody else is going to do it. It's me. I'm the one getting it. I'm the one doing. I'm the one that's getting the nails done for. Bye. Anyway. I'm just having breakfast and then I can get the rest of my day started. See you.
Welcome to Voiceover Terri. Hi. So, here's a fun fact. Well, I don't know about fun, but here's a fact about introverts. Okay, first of all, I identify as an ambivert, whereby I can be both introverted and extroverted at times, but I lean mostly towards the introversion bit. So there are days where I feel like sometimes just moments during the day that I feel like even responding to a hi is so much work. Like I couldn't surmount the energy to say hi back to somebody. So I realized while editing that this video is quite quiet, so I thought to just come over here and let you know about this little fact, and I hope you don't get offended by it. And this is me. Sometimes it's not always happy bubbly out there. Sometimes I'm just quiet and there's no particular reason that you're going through something or anything like that. Yeah, that's just it. And this house was so bomb. I loved it, but the quality of the video is a bit down kidogo because it was much later during the day. So I hope you still get to see how cute it was, because I couldn't miss recording this for you. So yeah, if you want this video, if you want to check out this house, I'll leave the link, the guy's phone number in the link. Yeah, so I'm still house hunting.
got this from a guy who was hawking them around. I think it's so cute. Yeah, it's made of cow horn. So cute. It's finally time we stop using my side plates for my potpourri. I'll just put them in there. Oh man, it's a lot actually, eh? Okay, maybe I'll get rid of some, but yeah. Hey, that does it equal hapo bado ni stereo, single perhaps. Wow, amazing, lovely, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, I think that's it. It's pretty, I like it. So I'm just from the shower, and I'm about to start with the CeraVe, so I thought to show you a before and after. It is night time of just taking a shower, now about to do like a face routine, and yeah, this is what the face is looking like before. I'll update you. I'll try to update every single time I do like an update. So yeah, I hope this works. I really do. And right now it's flaring up. I don't know what's causing it to increase like that, because this wasn't there like 2 days ago. The pink ones, those are fresh. Is this my life? Like, that's what I keep thinking. Is this my life? Like, am I going to be the girl with the pimples? Like, okay, not the girl with the pimples, but like, are acne going to be a part of my life, so that I just start dealing with it, you know? Because it's starting to be annoying, especially them coming out of nowhere. So anyway, this is day one. I hope it works. If it doesn't, my identity is in Christ. I don't think I look bad. So yeah, even if I think I do, Jesus Christ thinks I am beautifully made. So yeah, just a quick update. I'll update you. I'll try to update you every single day, just so we can see if there's any change, so that if you're looking to try that out, then I am your scapegoat. Not scapegoat, lab goat, lab rat. So I am your lab rat for these two brands and products. Okay, see you in a bit. Also need to brush and just get ready for bed already. It's been a long day. All right.